Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the AMD Error 195, the one that says AMD installer cannot continue. So if you got the error, here I've got the easiest fix for you. So this will usually happen because of missing Windows updates, or maybe the outdated system components, incorrect driver versions, or just unstable internet connections. So the first step that you can do is update Windows. So you need to make sure your Windows is updated to date by going to the settings, click on the Windows Update, tap on check for updates, and in here you can just install everything, especially the optional updates, the net framework updates, and also the driver updates. After the update is complete, you can just restart your PC. And the next step, you can install the AMD chipset driver first. You can open your browser and search for AMD chipset driver download. Go to the official page here and you can just select your motherboard model, then download and install it, and just restart your PC again. The next step, you need to install the GPU driver using the AMD Auto Detect tool, and again you can just search for it in here in the official page of amd.com. So just run the tool and it will scan your system and install the correct driver automatically. And next one, the error can also show up if your connection is blocked. You can try disable VPN if you're using one. Post the Windows Defender Firewall and make sure that you have stable internet connections. And after installing, you can turn everything back on. So that's it. That's how you can fix the AMD Error 195. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next one.